Hi all, it's Jack from Vet IT Services, and happy bank holiday, even though I'm sure you are probably working, very much like me, except I've been able to escape with the dogs just very briefly. Anyway, so I wanted to do a quick video today about a webinar that we're holding on the 16th of April at 7:30 in the evening. I've chosen to host it at this time as I know you guys are working non-stop and probably will not get a break until at least this time. If you can't make it, register anyway, as we'll be recording the session and we'll drop you an email with a link after the webinar. Anyway, the webinar is a two-part series, and I've tried to pick on the topics and challenges that vets are currently facing with their technology at present. The first part will all be about remote working. Specifically, we're going to cover how to ensure that the system you work from is safe and secure. Don't worry, the checks are quick and easy to do. Next, we'll be covering how you can connect your PMS and key systems like accounts packages from home. And finally, and most importantly, I'm going to be covering some of the scams that hackers are using to target your workforce and what you can do to protect you and your business. So that's the first part, and again this will be on the 16th of April at 7:30 in the evening. The next part will be on the 30th of April, again at 7:30 in the evening, and we'll be covering communications. It's quite a broad topic, but the challenges we have recognised so far are how to enable your team to handle calls even when they're away from the practice, as well as ensure that customers do not always receive a busy tone, especially when call volumes are going up at present. Telemedicine solutions, they're out there to enable you to consult clients remotely without putting them and your team at risk. And finally, we'll be looking at how you can continue to collaborate between team members easily, keeping the workforce upbeat and together through this difficult time. As you can see, there's a lot to cover, but these will be no longer than an hour, and again will be recorded, but you only get access to this content if you register online. For more information, just visit vets.stayathome.services/remote working-webinar.